What is infinitism? Infinitism is a new philosophical theory that says everything, to exist, should be infinite. So, everything that exists is effectively infinite. Or quite simply, everything is infinite or is not. By seeing everything as endlessly composite, we see that any manifestation of the matter is also an infinite reality. With our intelligence and thanks to science and technology, we can explore the infinitude that resides in every material phenomenon. Why then we don't do that right now? We are not using the infinity of the material reality because we don't have yet the worldview according to which in everything there are infinite resources to be detected and utilized. The infinitism theory had been formulated to create this worldview. Infinitism shows, for instance, that everything we can find on the scale of a planet like the Earth can also be found on a tiny scale of a molecule or even an atom. This theory suggests developing our nanoscience and nanotechnology with this infinitist perspective, and then we will see that we don't need to deplete our planet and bring it to the edge of destruction and annihilation. We can find the materials and energy we need in the nanoscales of the fabric of matter, where the substance offers us everything we want and as much as we want. To be able to do so, we need to discover the infinite construction of matter, and then we can see that there is not one universe, as we thought so far, but infinite universes at the scale of micro or macro. The infinitism theory tries to open a horizon where we can put an end to see everything as an ending and finite reality. We can effectively get in touch with infinite if we are equipped with a worldview that is based on the idea according to which everything is infinite. We are producing many materials about this point of view as books, papers, slides, and videos. You can find them on our website www.thecrd.com. You can also collaborate with us or contribute to what we are doing. For doing that, please visit our website or contact us by email at contact@thecrd.com. Thank you for watching this video.